Hi, this is Nancy with On Point TV. I want to show you today how to do a different style of New York Beauty quilt. The New York Beauties that we've done so far are very traditional New York Beauties, where each one of the designs has very symmetrical points throughout the entire quilt, and the quarter circles are perfect quarter circles. When I had somebody comment that she thought that you needed electric quilt program to actually do the New York Beauty quilts, and you don't. There's a lot of different patterns out there, but you can also hand draw them. Keeping in mind that when you hand draw them, it's going to be a little different. We're going to call them Freestyle New York Beauty quilts. So this is one of my examples of one. So with this one, you can see that the points, first of all, don't always go all the way down to the center ring. Sometimes a point might stop part way up. Each of the points are different sizes. I also like to, because of the style of this, I like to use different colors in the backgrounds and in the points, just to make it look a little bit more freestyle. Now, one thing I want you to try to notice here is, because this is important when we do the drawing and when we do the construction, is to know that these quarters of the circle are actually mirrored. So this would actually lay directly on top of that. So it is a mirror of this one. Same thing with the bottom half. So these are a mirror of the top and bottom. You'll also notice that the curves, these quarter circles, are not perfect. These were hand-drawn quarter circles, so it gives it a little bit more freestyle, if you will. So now I'm going to take this big one up. Not lose my little pieces underneath. All right. So this is another one. All right, could I have somebody hand me the piece that fell? Because that's what we do here on Point TV. All right, so here's my other piece. All right. So this one I started a long time ago, but you can definitely see the freestyle-ness of this. Not only are the points all a little bit different, but look at this curve. There is no quarter circle. It's just a winding kind of roller coaster of a curve. This is a doable option, but I want you to know that this does bump up the difficulty. If you're going to do one with a really crazy outside curve, you don't piece it like we do our normal curved piecing that I'll show you today and that we've seen also in the previous New York Beauty segments. With this kind, you put the freezer paper template on the back, you fold over the 1/4 inch seam allowance, you secure it down where you want it, and you actually applique it in place. That makes this type of one much easier than trying to do these curves going back and forth. When we come back, we're going to start drawing our brand new Freestyle New York Beauty.